Joel sort of suggested this and we talked about it. That's a really great idea, and Joel is such a great people person and an ideas man. And even today he'll come in and go, how about we do a fish pie, or how about we do this? And I was like, yeah, okay, sure, I got it. Like, so he just throws the ideas out, and then it's up to me to make his vision come together. We wanted to make a real impact, and we wanted to be different, and we didn't want to be the classic whitewash sort of blue with a few anchor ropes and an anchor and a ship steering wheel around the place. And then the whole thing, we wanted the whole brand to be like an adventure, camping, exciting, discovery kind of thing. So thinking Salmon Bear, wilderness, log cabin, hunting, fishing, that whole thing, and that's how the concept came together. Also the fact that we've got the Mibrasa oven, because this is something that, again, Joel had seen. Like I said, he's the ideas guy, so he had seen, I think, something in Melbourne. I think there was one in Melbourne. I don't know if it was in a restaurant or a demo situation. He thought, wow, this is awesome. So how about we, and then he started thinking seafood, so fish through this, and the whole idea of cooking over charcoal and that subtle flavour that imparts in the seafood, I just thought was a fantastic idea. And the benefit for me was we got this oven. But we got this oven about almost a year before bricks and mortar came about. So that oven lived in my backyard for at least 9 months. So I had the best barbecue in the neighbourhood. Our hero product is the Mibrasa fish. We call it a grizzly plate. So we have 5 pieces, different types of fish fillet on the menu. The customer picks their fish that they want, and then they get to choose out of 8 salads to go on the plate, and then 5 different sort of carbo rice, chips, mashed potato, that sort of thing.